you're experiencing a stuck loading screen while trying to install PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to make sure they are adequate for running the game. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications, restart your computer, and then try launching the installation again. Step 3. Disable background applications. Certain background applications can interfere with the installation process. Close any unnecessary programs, especially those that might use network resources, such as browsers or download managers. Step 4. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall PUBG completely and then reinstall it. This ensures that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files that could be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue and enjoy playing PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.